But Steven, he's sick.
Watch it.
He's sick.
Watch it. Fucking watch it.
I'm gonna let go. I'll get what you need me to get. And I need some space.
Okay, holy shit. That's a leaked video of Crowder basically yelling at his wife while she's pregnant. And he's being a huge bitch, man. If your wife's pregnant, you're doing everything. Even if you got fucking rods in your chest, it doesn't matter. And he got to experience what it's like, what I'm going through, not having painkillers when you're in pain, and all the bullshit that these Republicans spew about painkillers and stuff being horrible. So what happens